So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Quickstart menu to put your content on your screens. The first step is, you see here in the top left corner of the screen, you have these 4 steps. By clicking on each step, you'll be taken to the correct page on the platform to carry out the function. So the first step is to create a clip. It will take you to the template categories page, where you need to select from the options how you're going to create a clip. For this tutorial, I will upload a file. Click here. It will let you select a file from your computer. Once you've selected a file, you name it. Select which category you want it to be in. Now be in your media library. So if I return to the dashboard and click on the second step, add to playlist, and I select playlist 4, click edit, and here is my image. I can then drag and drop it into the playlist in a specific place. Select the duration, confirm. The third step is to schedule the playlist to a player. So playlist 4 is the playlist I just added the clip to. And I edit it. You can already see which players it's going to play on by clicking this arrow, and you can select more players by editing it and then clicking on players. Here you'll see your player groups, which you can add the player to, the playlist to, or you can add the playlist to individual players by clicking here and then clicking save. And so this is the 4th step, where you need to synchronize your saved changes to your player. If I click cancel, that means that my changes have been saved but not synchronized. And then the 4th step, sync changes. And this window will appear where you can select all players to synchronize all changes you've made, or select specific players that you want to synchronize. Click synchronize, and the changes will be synchronized to your players.